Nitty Kutchie head chip. You know them man are really not come out on internet, you know. So when them man a come out, you know, say sitting really upset in spirit. Look like a rasta this popcorn and Kutchie a defend that. Cause you know popcorn come out and say, him have a house pan finger, and you know that mean already. The value and ring can buy a house. So the rasta say, oh popcorn have so much money and he not take care of him family. Boy come like Kutchie not like that. So Kutchie a defend a thing. You what Kutchie have to say?
The Rasta man, you call up my name. You have to load or something there. And stop hide behind spanglers, boy, you are spanglers. You want wranglers, man. You want clown Rasta. You're a shit mouth Rasta. You are shit in a plate. That me I tell her. You talk about man have house pan and finger. Your business that. And when I give him family them clothes to you. I know you clothes them. You don't have none. Seems like you don't have no clothes Rasta. Rasta, you have to go easy, man. Stop my bad man get the better part of you, man. Just calm down, man. Calm down. Stop talk a bag of shit. Stop yap up your mouth and go on and act like you're bad and talk about man. If man see a man to step to you. You for step to man, we don't have a reason for step to you. But it seems like you have reason for step to man. If you go easy, you look clout away. What you do? You're bad over internet. Is a bad man for internet, bro. Bro. And your Spangler's friend them must have say you're a clown, like you're bad mind. You can't bad mind for your man how a man live him life. And you watch how everybody live them life. You watch Javinci life, you watch Popcaan life, you watch Not Nice life, you watch Black Rhino life, you watch everybody life. What's your life, man? With your bottom out, just go easy now, brethren. You're shit in a plate, bro. Just go easy. Me don't have to tell you no disrespectful nothing. Man, just tell you, stop being bad mind, bro. Looking at yourself as a rasta, man. You're a punk, you're drunk, you drink too much, or it's bar, you stop. Cut your crap, man. You understand? Go easy. Stop watch people in a better position than you. I want to you. Humble yourself, man. See? It's a bigger fish on your aisle, fry them. Go easy, bro. You understand? Just go easy, that me I tell you. Stop call up man name, man. You understand? You're not fit enough. You understand? Just sit down on your mouth, bro. Just go easy. Stop act like you're too tough. Your friend them must know you want big bad man idiot, boy. Cause enough man from Spanglers, me and my friends. So I don't know what you talk about. So go easy. Stop chat up your Rasta, go one side. You sit down, you have no sense. You're a dunce bat. You have no sense.
Yo, says it. I know enough I don't want to take me make a joke about me ring yesterday. I need a trouble, you know. Yo, big up British Airways staff, is it? Enough love for find the house per finger, is it? Kind of easy if you walk with the house per your finger around here, serious thing that. Yeah, man, a lifestyle moment, man. I know the thing, man. And big up everybody for share and repost and try for me to get black ring, you see me? Yeah, hard work, give me that ring, so. Big up British Airways once again for I keep the ring. It's a lifestyle moment. Come on, ball, you know. Everybody, let's go. Who know where the ball off and get away.
Drop your comments down below and tell me what you think. And do the right thing. Like and subscribe. And come back on all our vibes. You know where you go.